What up, Shotty?
What up, nigga?
No,
Damn,
man.
it's raining this bitch.
Hell yeah.
Fuck. I should just take a crisp ass freestyle for y'all niggas, man.
Nigga, you can't freestyle.
Yeah, I'm not ready for what the fuck I be doing, man.
So go ahead.
In the game, like Jermaine. Fuck going on? I'm too nice.
So kick something.
I said, who that? Who that? Who that? I said, who that? Who that? That lyrical crack coming through your speakers.
Hold up, bring it back.
Oh, I like that. Keep that going. Hold up. Alright. I said, who that? Who that? That lyrical crack coming through your speakers.
Hold up, bring it back.
Who that? Who that? That nigga right there, looking like something you will find up in the earth. That mean I fly, boy. Went to school in the clouds. Sky high, boy. No stronghold, but my bars got weight. Gold, and yours just fold like them clothes from the laundromat. Come on, man. Dream chasers don't sleep. We only take power naps. Gotta get this money, cause life ain't sweet. Nothing like honey, cause it's bitter in the street. Currently I'm cooking right. Currently I'm cooking. In the future I'ma eat like a king. Not LeBron, no, cause I'm coming for the ring. I got bars, man. Coming for that ring.
Hold on, let me try to...
Target on your head, infrared beam. I flow like stream, Poland, spring. And when I'm with your bitch, all you hear is screams, nigga. Fuck wrong with you?
And she got bounced. So we
Why
call
you
it
in G?
springs, nigga.
Why you in G shot, nigga? Fuck with it. Get him, Keith.
No.
I'm about to kick something for niggas, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, step into the light, bro.
You see me?
Nah, damn, you just disappeared on me. Go back that way. Shit. I know you can't see my black ass there.
Me too.
Damn, nigga looking diesel as hell.
Who that? Who that?
Nah, man.
What's that? Baller of the year. Them haters still talking, but I don't really hear. I'm too high up in the sky with a dime. Not no nine, she mopping the whole team, so we call it Tom Shit.
Woo!
Drinking Dom Perrier. Wealth in the bottle, throw it up there.
Throw that shit up.
Silent peace, nigga, we gon' be right.
Yeah.
We ain't going nowhere.
Ooh.
If you see us, we ain't ballin', then you must ain't seeing.
You ain't seeing clear, nigga.
Ain't, nigga.
What going on?
Let me see.
Keep it going, Keith. Come on, man.
Wow. You must ain't seeing clear. Damn, I see.
Shit. It's freestyle, man. That's how we do.
Niggas freeze up, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck on, man. And not messing with us either way. We still harder than anybody out there. Holla at us.
Hold on, here you go. Now holla if you hear me. Niggas ain't hollering, believe they pockets empty.
Empty ass pockets.
Like a needle keep just to get in.
Oh, Dr. Keith.
She get it from her mama like the candy getting plenty.
That's a lot.
And that's a whole lot.
Oh shit, I didn't know you was gonna say that.
Time's up, nigga. Iced out wristwatch.
These shits don't work. It's too much diamonds, nigga.
You know, it's kind of blind in the spine.
That's for the future.
Tomorrow, like Travis and them, bring it back. If she ain't got no ass and titties on my number,
that's a knot, nigga. We ain't tying it up. That's a knot. The fuck going on?
Do it, man. We don't do that out here, man. We don't cuff them, we just fuck them, then we
pun them, man. Cut down. That's a wrap, man.